The thing about having a hobby where you produce useful items that are necessary for life, in this case, sheets, is that sometimes it feels like you've given yourself another job and you create all of this pressure and stress in your head and these imaginary timelines and sometimes very real timelines that you have to do these things, and it becomes more than a hobby, and it's no longer fun and it's no longer enjoyable. And sewing sometimes does that to me, as does other crafting, particularly when I think that it's something that other people will like, and therefore I must document it to the fullest, which means video and still footage and notes and so much more than sewing simply for myself. And I know that I cannot possibly be the only one to experience this. So I would like to remind everyone else and myself that it is okay to take a break. Even if the algorithm disagrees with that statement, it is okay to take a break. It is okay to do a simple project that someone will like, even if that someone is just you. Doggy. That is what a doggy says.